Hey everybody, this is the Dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the 20th Annual Railroad Days Festival and Car Show only. And this is the Walkabout Cam. This was a great show. We always try to go out to the show because it's hosted by our club, the Callahan Cruisers. The show ended up being a little bit smaller this year, and I think that may have been because there were, 5 other car shows going on the same day. But it was still a good show nonetheless. Some pretty cool cars showed up, and we took a lot of video and a lot of pictures. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we are out here at Railroad Days Car Show. As you can see behind me, there are a ton of cars out here. They got them packed in here every which way they can get them. And they still got some showing up periodically. But I think they've run out of room. They got another lot that they've opened up, but I don't know that anybody's going to use it. So, we're in for the duration. We'll be here all day. But a lot of interesting cars out here. A lot of different cars out here this year. So, anyway, so, yep, just wanted to show you a little bit of what's out here. We got our walk-arounds and our ride-throughs and all that stuff that we're going to add on, so should be good videos coming out of this one. Anyway, we'll see you shortly.
Have a lady, have a lady. Pretty I watched it. I'm filming here. What?
So am I.
Yeah, that's what we'll have to do for sure.
Hey.
Down the column before they float. I want to catch it.
I'm filming here.
So am I.
That one's hard for you. Where they at? It's my party.
Chuck Peters. Like to think of certificate. There you go. There you go. He's a sound guy. Unheard of prices. And on that note, thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Jerry Gainey. Jerry Gainey. They keep the music humming and everything. Jerry, okay. Rick Crosby is Rick here.
Have a lady.
Keeping the green room cooking. Woohoo! Even though it's hot, it's chilly. Thank you, Gene.
next one is the details on top. Oh, okay. Okay. And this is beautiful.
Patty Fred, 800.
I may enter. Yeah. Hopefully I just walked up.
Excuse me.
Seen you over. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's
Stay
okay.
here,
Seen you on your knee with that camera.
Yeah.
You must be doing that
Hey,
implement.
Miss Brett, there you are. Very beautiful.
Bragging right there.
That's why he's got here. And there's Scott here. We don't need to switch to as well. We are non-profit. Want to help us out, please contact us. We need people.
I watched it. I'm filming here. Watch out.
So am I.
Lives in Randall Smith, so right away.
Just gonna do a walk around.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. No, you're fine. I just go over you. Is this yours?
Yes.
And she sure is pretty.
Make an offer. Angela, make an offer for me. On the right-hand side at the Green Mill Garage. Down the right-hand side. Yeah. Why isn't he here? I don't know. He's getting come to a lot. Oh, really? Yeah. I've got so many, I don't see the rat trucks that come back in my neighborhood. Yeah. Yeah. She allowed me over. I'm going to be coming because it's just, I want to start getting these calls.
Yeah, that's what we'll have to do for sure.
And this is actually got I still have the original couldn't cable drive tack that wouldn't fit in this. I've got I'm all about fuel injection.
Hey.
Since I gave up.
Down the column before they float. I want to catch
I'm filming here.
So am I.
That one's hard for you. Where they at?
It's my party.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the 20th Annual Railroad Days Festival and Car Show. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to give us a like. And if you could, drop a comment and maybe even share the video around to your friends and family and anybody you know that happens to be a car person and goes to car shows or, you know, is interested in cars. It helps out the channel. We're trying to grow the channel up to... for starters, 500 to get initial monetization from YouTube. So any help you would be to sharing that video around would be great. So like I always say on the end of every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.